Two things holding you back from building custom websites for your client. The first thing is that you're probably limited by your no-code or low-code solution from creating custom solutions because you're limited to template-based design. And the second thing is that you haven't taken the time to learn how to code, because even if you are using these types of tools, there usually is a way to override the templates by going into the custom area where you can manipulate the code of your templates or add customized CSS to help with overriding any applied default styles. By using custom coding, you can get beyond what is limiting you in these tools that you are using. So it is important to consider what you can deliver for your client by learning to code. Presented by Designers Learn Code.